Hi everyone. So today I had this awesome opportunity of talking to one of the students who had gone to the UK from Azent, and his name is Bijoy Mahapatra. So we spoke to him about a lot of things, mainly why did he choose UK, how was his entire experience like, and about the difficulties of his journey and how was the entire process with Azent. And so let's sit down and enjoy the conversation with Bijoy. Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to Azent Overseas Education. Today we have a very special guest with us, Bijoy Mahapatra. Hi Bijoy.
Hi Divya.
So Bijoy had gone to the University of Exeter, which is one of the very reputed Russell Group universities in the UK, and he's here on a vacation after completion of his course. So let's have some insights regarding his entire experience about his journey and the program over there. Right. So Bijoy, first things first, basic question. What made you choose UK? Why UK out of all the destinations that we have?
So firstly मेरा ऐसा point था कि I'll choose UK because of its quality of education. Secondly, I've done like 15 years of education in India. I've done my BCom and CS. So UK was accepting it, so I chose UK over it.
Right.
And the third point is I chose UK because it had 1 year of course they're offering me, and it was in my thing that I needed a short span of course,
Quick.
but a quick course, but in full length.
So that helped you finish it fast and also save a lot of cost in
Yeah.
terms of the second year fees.
Exactly.
Right. So Bijoy, any transition is difficult, whether we move cities or countries. So, I mean, for you, it was a big step. So how did you transition? I mean, moving from India to UK. I mean, what was the experience like? I mean, was it easy? Was it difficult? How was it?
So to be very honest, the first thing which I noticed in UK is that it is pretty chill. Everybody is like very friendly with each other, and specifically talking about Exeter. So the main population is over there, like it is the student population
Right.
place.
Yeah.
So mostly I could find Indian people over there who are working or who are just students like me. So they're very friendly, very welcoming and all. So it was not difficult for me to adjust over there. Only the weather thing was main issue.
Right.
Nothing. Everything else was very fine.
So
very chill.
connecting with people, that was easy. I mean, you
Very
didn't
easy,
find
very-
any challenges
Yeah,
there.
it was very easy. Like I was moving with the vibe, I can say.
Nice. Okay. So, Bijoy, one important question. Studying abroad, going there, making friends, you said was all chill. The most important part of it, which is your academics, was there any challenge there? Because it's a different education system as compared to India. So, I mean, what was that experience like?
So the education in UK is very compact, I would say, and it's very practical. So इंडिया में जैसे कि हमको एग्जाम्स देने पड़ते हैं,
Right.
वहाँ पे वैसे एग्जाम्स तो है नहीं, वैसे असाइनमेंट्स है. द लॉट ऑफ ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट्स, हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा है वहाँ पे. सो कमिंग फ्रॉम अ बीकॉम बैकग्राउंड टू आईटी इंडस्ट्री, तो वहाँ पे मुझे हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा मिला, जिसकी वजह से
More
I can-
exposure.
yeah, more exposure.
Right.
So I can like say कि हाँ मुझे भी आईटी इंडस्ट्री का पार्ट हूँ मैं, एंड इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर मी. और वहाँ पे जितना एक्सपीरियंस मिला है मुझे, जितना मुझे प्रोफेसर का रैपो बना है, आई कुड से इट विल लास्ट लाइफ लॉन्ग.
Long.
और वहाँ पे द प्रोफेसर्स आर वेरी सपोर्टिव, अनलाइक कि यहाँ पे अगर कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को फेवर किया जाता है, वहाँ पे फेवरिज्म नहीं है.
Yeah, because they don't know you
Yeah.
personally.
सो इट्स वेरी गुड, वेरी कॉम्पैक्ट एंड वेरी हेल्पफुल एंड वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, आई वुड से.
Right. So, Bijoy, finding the right agent is certainly one of the most crucial things. You know, it is as important as finding the right location and the right university. You
Yeah.
know, so simple question like, how did you come across Azent, and what was your entire experience with Azent like?
So I got introduced through Azent by a friend of mine who was planning for UK.
Okay.
So he suggested that you can go through Azent, and Azent से connect किया मैंने. And then Azent helped me throughout my journey, like from the application, so choosing the university, and then हाँ कभी कभी कोर्स में भी कि हाँ कौन सा
Right.
कोर्स लेना है.
As per
And
your
then- हाँ,
yeah profile.
because BCom से IT में जाना was a big step.
Right.
And then वीज़ा का प्रोसेस. सो टोटली मैं 3 चीज़ों में अनअवेयर था. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं, बिकॉज इट वाज फर्स्ट स्टेप. तो अजेंट ने जो जिस तरीके से सपोर्ट दिया है मुझे, इट वाज लाइक अपलॉज, एकदम अलग लेवल
And
था.
about your funding and finance and everything, so loans and all of that also was done from Azent itself.
So Azent helped me out with my loan also. So but yeah, that was the main thing which was I stuck on.
Yeah, because after you get an offer, like getting the loan and the finances in place is certainly the most important,
Yeah.
next most important thing.
So Ascent helped me out in one more thing, which was the IELTS thing. So I got a waiver through Ascent
Right.
because I was unaware about the IELTS, that I can get a waiver through my 12th mark sheet,
Yeah, yeah.
which is totally unaware. Like people are unaware
Lot
about
of
it.
the
Lot of people
students
are
don't
unaware
know
about it. They give their IELTS exam and then go. But मुझे वहाँ से मेरे काउंसलर ने सपोर्ट दिया कि yeah, you don't need to give IELTS and all. So which was a good thing for me.
Right.
But
So you
yeah,
happen to save time and money.
save
over
time
there.
and money exactly. So yeah, it was pretty a good job through Ascent, and I'm very happy with it.
So all in all, very seamless.
Very seamless, very seamless.
Great. So Bijoy, being born and brought up here in India, I'm sure you had a big social circle there, and packing up your bags, moving to UK. Tell us what your social circle was like after you landed there. I mean, how soon did you make friends, and yeah, I mean, how did you keep yourself emotionally, at the bar?
So firstly, I was very lucky enough that on the second day itself, I met few of my friends, not few of my friends, I could say. They were into the same course which I was doing. So we were staying in the same accommodation. So वहाँ पे ऐसे बन गए दोस्त. So we were like 5 people. Starting से जो group बना, and then the group.
You carried that on
Yeah,
all
carried,
throughout.
Yeah, all throughout. Then फिर university में गए. So I mostly used to stick around with my Indian friends because वो vibe match,
That's हाँ.
वो flow match बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है उसमें. So yeah, it was pretty cool enough for me. Like it was not difficult for me to make friends and all. Lonely वाला feel कभी आया नहीं because
Happy go lucky.
हाँ happy वाला था वहाँ पे. तो वहाँ पे ही friends कोई family बना लिया.
Right.
सबके साथ रहना खाना सब कुछ.
And then how often did you, I mean, how did you rather connect with your family over here all the time, like WhatsApp calls or, I mean, what?
Only WhatsApp calls. वो भी. So being the only child, so
Oh.
दिन में 3 बार मम्मी का कॉल, 2 बार पापा का कॉल. So उसी पे मेरा जिंदगी ऐसा निकल रहा था धीरे धीरे. So celebrating every festival, staying over there, एक चॉकलेट खा के यहाँ पे थोड़ा मिल बांट के देख के, फिर एक साथ ही वीडियो कॉल पे रह के हम लोग चॉकलेट खाते थे.
Wow.
तो ऐसे सेलिब्रेट
But I'm sure they must be very proud now.
पता नहीं. Indeed, yeah, they are.
And how about like the availability of Indian stuff, like Indian groceries and other Indian things? Like how easy was it to source everything?
It was
Like, do
easy.
you have enough Indian stores and?
So the place where I stay in the city center.
Okay.
So we have like 2 Indian shops, which is named as Continental and Hira. So these shops are multiple chains in UK.
Okay.
So these are the only Indian stores which is available throughout the
But
UK.
easy to find.
Very easy to find. You can find every Indian shop in the city center itself. So and it is pretty cheap also rather than the other stores. But कभी कभी हो जाता है थोड़ा expensive जब जेब
हो
खाली
जाते
रहता है.
हैं, जब ज्यादा पार्टी हो
हाँ,
जाती
जब
है.
ज़्यादा पार्टी हो जाते तब हो जाता है expensive.
Right.
वरना बाकी सब एकदम.
And did you learn cooking and everything also?
हाँ, thanks to my dad, ऐसा कुछ I would
So
say.
you knew it before
Yeah, I knew
you?
it before.
Acha, so that helped.
Yeah, COVID में सिखा दिया
Wow,
सब कुछ.
nice.
So it helped me out. So every birthday party I was the cook. So
So Bijoy, one last piece of important advice that you'd like to give to all the students who are planning to study abroad in 2025 and all the countries, like irrespective.
so firstly, doing the research कि कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में जाना है, कहाँ जाना है. वो
I
एक
think कहाँ
research-
जाना is the main.
हाँ, कहाँ जाना है. So 3 basic principles मैंने follow किए थे वहाँ पे. Firstly, choosing the right university, right country, and choosing right friends.
Nice.
3 मेरे बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स है जहाँ पे मैंने फॉलो किए. एंड देन अजेंट वाज देयर टू हेल्प मी आउट. सो मुझे ज़ीरो नॉलेज था ये सब चीज़ के बारे में कि कैसे जाते हैं, क्या करते हैं. इट वाज जस्ट अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हु सजेस्टेड मी कि हाँ मैं जा रहा हूँ बाहर
Right.
इस अजेंट के थ्रू. सो एक बार कनेक्ट कर ले. सो आई कनेक्टेड विद अजेंट. देन फिर अजेंट ने जिस तरीके से हेल्प किया है कि हाँ पहले यू हैव टू चूज द राइट प्लेस टू गो, देन दी कोर्स,
Identify your
हाँ.
courses and universities.
बाद में फिर उसमें फिर SOP जो होता है,
Yeah,
LOR क्या
that's
होते
most
हैं.
important.
तो मुझे ये सब के बारे में ज़ीरो नॉलेज था. तो या इफ मैं ज़ीरो नॉलेज से चालू किया था, तो जो भी स्टूडेंट्स आने वाले हैं 2025 में, सो दिस इज़ द एडवाइस विच आई कैन गिव कि रिसर्च करो. कोई अगर तुमको पता नहीं है तो देयर
No
कोई
problem.
बात नहीं है. देयर नॉट अ बिग डील कि हाँ कुछ पता नहीं है. देयर ऑलवेज अ स्टार्ट टू एवरी न्यू थिंग. दे विल गाइड यू थ्रू. और बेस्ट है ये चीज़ में अजेंट. तो ये
Great.
चीज़ मैं बता सकता हूँ.
So for all you prospective students out there, 2025 applications are on. Please connect with Ascent to kickstart your process, just like Bijoy did. And before we end, I'd like to thank Bijoy for the wonderful insights that we received. Thank you so much.
Thank you.